So today we are going to continue with image formation by convex lens. Right? So here I have a convex lens. Now convex lens is also known as converging lens. Alright? Converging lens meaning all the rays will be focused towards a point, and that point is what we call as focus point. Focal point. Alright, so here I have my principal axis, I have my convex lens in the middle. Alright, and then along the principal axis here I have my focal point, 2F, and so on. Now, this is my object here. If you see here, my object is further compared to my 2F, meaning the object distance U is more than 2F. For this particular example, I use my focal length as it was 4 centimeter. Alright, here my focal length is 4 centimeter there, and then 2F is simply double of the focal length, so my 2F is at 8 centimeter from my optical center. Okay, right, now we are going to draw a ray diagram for image formation by convex lens. Remember, we have 3 rays that you need to remember. The first one, I'm going to use my red pen here. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis. Alright. Remember to always stop at the dotted line here. Okay. That is my incident ray parallel to my principal axis, and then my refracted ray would be towards F. Okay, that's my first ray. Alright, so incident, refracted, oops. Okay, my first ray is parallel to principal axis, and then my refracted ray is through F. Right? Now my second ray, I'm going to use my blue pen here. My second ray would be towards F, and then refracted parallel to my principal axis. Right? Do not forget your arrow, because arrow will show the direction of the light ray. Right? So my second ray, the blue ray, it was through F, and then refracted parallel to my principal axis. Okay. Now my third ray, my orange pen here. My third ray would be exactly towards my towards my optical center. Alright, and then it will be refracted towards my incident ray will be towards optical center, and then it will continue moving in a straight line. Okay, so that is my image formation by convex lens. The 3 rays. The first ray, the red ray, is first it's parallel and then refracted through F. And my second ray exactly to my optical center, and then straight, and then last one, the blue one, towards F, and then refract it parallelly. Alright, and if you look at my refracted ray here, this is my refracted ray, these three rays. Now if you look at my refracted ray, it is they intersect at one point, which is this one here. So the image formation will be at this point right here, and my image would be inverted. Alright, type of image. Number one, it is inverted. Since it is inverted, is it real or upright? Alright, it is real. Remember, if it's real, it's always upright. If it's virtual, it's always... if it's real, it's always inverted. If it's virtual, it's always upright. And then what about the size? Now, some of you might get confused. You don't compare the size. Here, roughly, I draw it like roughly the same size. But then, when you want to compare the size, what we are interested in is the object distance and the image distance. Now, where is my object distance? Object distance would be this. From my object to my optical center. This is my object distance, U, alright? This is my U. And then my image distance would be this. I'm going to use different colored pen for that one. Alright, I'm just going to use blue one here again. Okay. This is my image distance, V. If you compare the length here, my object distance and my image distance, which one is longer? U. Meaning my image distance is shorter. Since it is shorter, what type of image is produced? Is it diminished or is it magnified? It's diminished, correct. Diminished. Alright? In other words, it's smaller in size. Okay? So this is the image formation by convex lens when your object is at more than 2f. Now what I want you to do is to continue drawing. Remember these three rays. Alright? These three rays. I want you to draw and apply this understanding to a few different object distance, which are U less than F, U equals to F, U more than F but less than 2F, and U equals to 2F. Alright, so this would be your homework. I want you to draw image formation by convex lens at these four different object distance: U less than F, U equals to F, U in between F and 2F, and also U equals to 2F. Alright, you do that and upload your ray diagrams in WhatsApp group or in Google Classroom, and then we'll discuss about the answer in our next Google Meet. Thank you.